Your heart temporarily stops when you sneeze, and it's completely normal. When you sneeze, the pressure inside your chest increases, reducing blood flow back to your heart. In response, your heart briefly adjusts its rhythm to compensate for the change. This momentary pause is similar to a Valsalva maneuver, where the pressure in your chest triggers a reaction from the vagus nerve, which can slow down your heart. Though it may feel like your heart has stopped, the electrical activity in your heart continues, and everything returns to normal almost immediately after the sneeze.